go goodbye. And goodbye. Need a chat? It's never been harder. New Milo with Attica. Hormone vitamins, minerals to help energize body and mind.
Good morning! Good morning!
Morning.
Good morning. Before you came here today, matanong ko lang, nahalikan niyo ba ang mga anak ninyo? Parents, lola, mga kapatid? Because if yes, then that's good. Kasi gusto kong isipin niyo sila as I present to you Icon's newest collection. Most of our competitors' clothes target teenagers and fashionistas with the same old European Victorian design. At ito ang kaibahan natin. The idea behind this collection is what is based on lumaki po kasi akong ulila, kaya pangarap ko magkaroon ng sariling pamilya. So, pinuhay ko ang aking mama, papa, lola at mga kapatid sa mga damit ng aking design. We will be going through each design as we go through. So, let's start. Ganyan ba ang gusto mong suotin ng pamilyang Pilipino, Andy? Oh, but of course, ma'am! Mga shorts na labas ng buttocks. Oh, who's going to wear that?
Salamat. Ganda. Tapos, Tingnan. Salamat. Congratulations, dearest Andrea.
Babe? Wow! What a
This is nice. Super surprised. Oh my gosh, wow, I'm so surprised. So surprised. I'm so happy to see you here. Oh, nice to meet you. So, I'm here dahil I have to get some checks na nakalimutan ko natin.
I
At
see.
ikaw, anong ginagawa mo dito?
I have a goosey here.
Agosi.
Yes.
Nice, nice.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Are those for me?
Yes, of course. That will be all naman. You would be
Flowers. Thank you, babe.
You know what? Huwag ka na lang kaya pumunta sa Agosi mo. Date na lang tayo sa mga mayunit.
Really? You're so sweet. Yes.
Wala na, tara.
Okay.
Date tayo, di ba?
Sige. Babe.
Oh my God! Yay! Exciting!
Thank you, babe. You make me so happy.
I don't like your collection. It's vulgar and poorly done. Walang bibili niyan.
And I think I've already seen the design last season. Parang pinopia mo lang yata yan.
These aren't my sketches.
Andrea, you are wasting our time. Kung ano yung sinasabi mo dyan, puro nasuhan mo sa
Sir Sandali, this is so unfair. Hindi ko po trabaho. Kung binigay ko yung sketches ko dito kay Tessa. Tessa, pinalitan mo ba yung mga sketches ko? Hindi ko. Sir, hindi ko po yung gagawin.
Wait, so you're trying to tell us na sinasabotay ka ng staff ko? You should be ashamed of yourself. You're a disappointment. If I were you, Get your stuff and get out of here. You're fired.
You can't fire me because this isn't my work. I quit. Oh.
Simulan na ang pagbati ng Happy New Year! Post your photo or video greetings online, nasa Pinas ka man o saan man sa mundo. Just use the hashtag Kapuso 2016 para sa chance na may palabas ang greeting mo. At kita-kits ngayong bisperas ng bagong taon sa SM Mall Asia, Seaside Boulevard. Countdown to 2016, December 31, 11 p.m. dito sa GNA.
Ngayong Kamaskuhan, piling ko'y kapayapaan at pantay-pantay na karapatan para sa bawat Pilipino. Gobernador Gary Halan, pumamati sa inyo na masaganang Pasko.
How long does it take you to damage your hair? Blow drying 10 minutes. Coloring 60 minutes. How long to repair damage? Dove says 1 minute. Dove with Keratin Actives deeply nourishes the hair to repair damage in just 1 minute.
When I think, I drink. And I think, it's time to drink! Sa tagumpay, sarap bang Emperor Light?
Gawin mong life. Tama dito? Ako po, Day. Ay, ba't dito ka nagbabanyo? Sira ka yung banyo mo? Hindi po. Okay, boss. Uy, teka! Anak, sandali! Doon ka na sa banyo mo magbanyo! Day, sandali lang po! Ano ba nangyayari doon? Bakit sila doon ang babanyo?